Sino ka nga ba talaga? That's a very powerful question.
Ano na naman tanong yan? Maguguluhan naman yung mga manonood or makikinig sa video natin. Hindi naman sa ganon. Kasi ganito yan. Kung ano ang tingin mo sa identity mo, it will shape who you are and everything else will follow. Ibig mo bang sabihin, you have to identify who you are or who you want to become? Yes, yes, and yes. Let me give you an example. You want to stay healthy. Maybe it's because of some personal concerns or health concerns. So you don't suddenly do crash diets or biglang babaguhin mo ang food preferences mo or lilimitahan mo ang iyong pagkain. But instead, identify first your identity. Like for example, declare to yourself repeatedly, I am a healthy person. It makes sense. Ganito ba yan? For example, lunch na. Then namimili ako if any rice ba ang gusto kong i-avail. So I'll ask myself, ano ba ang gagawin ng isang healthy person? Then marirealize ko, instead of 4 cups ang kakainin ko, I'll just take 1 cup of rice. Tapos kapag halimbawa naman tinatamad ako mag-exercise, tatanungin ko ulit, ano bang ginagawa ng isang healthy person? Well, of course, pag-decide ako biglang mag-exercise ako. Kasi yun ang identity ko. Tama ba? Correct. We not only attract what we want, we also attract who we are. So ask yourself, sino ka nga ba talaga?